Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Start by opening Settings, scrolling all the way down, and choosing System Settings. Now tap on Keyboards and Input Method, Keyboard, and finally Theme. Over here you can select Show Mode to see all available ones and tap on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Now manage keyboarders by clicking on this sweater and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. As you can see now when I go back, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus icon under my themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, tap on Done and manage keyboarders by clicking on the sweater. Then select Apply, and when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!